Yo, what's going on, guys? So this episode brings us inside of an abandoned bowling alley. There is everything left behind in here, including alcohol, and all the power's on too. So let's go check it out. There's literally beer still stocked behind the bar. Look at that. Someone drank one of them. Or at least opened it up. This would have been the bar area. That would have been a bunch of tables. Computer. Oh, this is a till box. That's where they kept the money. It looks like they cleaned the coolers out. Still got all this stuff though, the Pepsi cups even, it's cool. Now you can tell this place is pretty fresh. Oh, there is a little bit of graffiti in here. Think it works? Nothing. Wow. It almost looks like this place is still open. Oh. And they say a spot is fresh, dude. This is fresh. Alright, yeah, guys, you can call me out. I don't see a bowling ball. Oh, nope. Just kidding, there's one. This is relatively vintage. I mean, this almost looks like 1990s. I love the aesthetic of these bowling alleys. They almost have a space age like look to them. Down at the end of the lanes, there's murals. The bowling balls, pins, and will look like planets. What do you guys think this was? Is that like a polisher? Polish the lane? Ooh. I don't want to mess it up. Yeah, if anyone knows what that is, let me know. Oh, the TVs are huge. Massive Brunswick TVs. With the logo. Nice. I want to go back there. We'll go back there in a little bit. There's even bowling shoes still left. Should I put them on? Look at that. Still sitting here. There's something up with this lane. Dude, the ball return is still working. No way, dude. The ball return is still working. I gotta go check. No freaking way. You hear that, right? Oh my god, it's the ball return. There's pins stuck in it. Some kids probably came here, some idiots, and tried to bowl. God. Guys, this is why we can't have nice things, because people come and do stupid shit like that. It makes me wonder whether, if I put a ball through that, if it'll come up. But I don't want to break it anymore, so that's why I'm not going to do that. Man, look at these old chairs. Probably like fiberglass, maybe? Those are sick. They look like toast. It's great when a place is like vintage feeling like this, because it almost like transports me back to that time when places like this were still open and operating. I mean, I know there are still a few of them like still open right now, but it's that vibe. It like brings me back to my childhood. Still remember how the bowling pins sounded and the smells, the popcorn, the food in the air. Wow. You know what I think happened in here? You guys see all this white powder? Especially over there? Someone blew off these fire extinguishers. That machine is on. The ball return is spinning. And there's like a bowling pin stuck in it and it keeps going flying everywhere. It's making some crazy noises. Here she goes.
I'm probably gonna get a gutter ball, guys. I suck.
We'll see. Just don't hit the camera. That's all that matters. No way. Are you kidding me? One left. One left.
Dude.
Did you see it go?
And it hit it again.
What the hell? How did you do that?
Girl,
It was going for the gutter.
it was. I don't know how it went back. Maybe it's worse.
Literally, what the hell? All right, we're heading up to the front now. This is where you would check in, pay, get your shoes fitted. Man, what a throwback. And there's still all the shoes left. That's insane. Is this a green pin? The green pin is fresh. Let's go back here and check it out. Yep, here you go. Look, rental. It says it on all of them. Men's 10.5 goes up. Wow. Someone robbed it. Someone straight up robbed it. What the hell? If the power works, do you think the phone works? No, it doesn't. Oh, hello. That's scary. The fans is honestly a godsend. It's hot as hell outside, and the fans are like the only spots where I'm like comfortable standing. Let's see what's going on at the end of the lanes. You can tell these haven't been polished in a long time, because if they were, I'd be slipping everywhere, but they are very grippy. Whoa. Oh my gosh, this is sick. Look at that. The inner workings. It's slightly terrifying, to be honest, but extremely cool to see. These pins. That's where the pins would go. I think they call them pin setters. It used to be an actual person. Back in the 1900s, there would be a literal person, probably up towards the middle of the 20th century they had them. And now I got these big machines to do the work for them. Oh, this is pulled up. How does that go up? This one's up and these are down. Let's see if we can go in here. Oh no, we can't. There's plywood. Man, you could actually see a good amount of decay. The water pipes were leaking here, or maybe it was even the roof. Honestly, it was probably the roof. But yeah, it's pretty cool. Then here, they ripped one of the lanes up for some reason. This piece. It's sitting right here by this wall. How many lanes are here? Look at this. This lane here, and then underneath it, there's another set of lane that they like sanded. And then that lane, like, underneath that is real wood. Like real wood lane. So it looks like they refitted it with new surface. Twice. At least twice. Who knows what's under this? It's pretty interesting. I didn't know they did that. I thought they would just rip it up before. Okay, so I've always wanted to know what's in these things. So I'm gonna put my camera down in there, see if I can see anything. Alright, let's get the light on. Okay, y'all tell me what you see. Get the light aimed down. Extend it out and then there we go. Okay, we got the wheel. And then that should go down somewhere. Maybe there's a track. I don't know. How far can I get? I bet I can get way far in there. We're gonna try. Alright guys, you're going in. Hopefully this doesn't turn on. What do you see? Anything? Can't see anything. This is so stupid. There you go, guys. An in-depth look at a Brunswick ball return. This is that piece that got pulled up. It's pretty big. Heavy. So here's another classic. This. It's like carpeting, but it's got little sprinkles on it. Reminds me of roller rinks even, too. Oh, I didn't even notice this little print. Bowling ball print. This is some sort of control. It says Brunswick on it. It like resets. If anyone knows what these are, let me know. It's pretty cool. Maybe timers? How long they've been on a lane? I'm not sure. This is super random, but I saw this chair. And look at the bottom. There's a bunch of chairs on it. Chair with the chairs on it. Royal Industries, Chicago. Sick. All right, guys, I think that's gonna wrap this one up. Pretty cool place. Love the vintage, nostalgic feel of it. And if you guys enjoyed, definitely drop a like. Consider subscribing if you want to see more. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace.